guys! Welcome back to my channel. Andito ako ngayon sa loob ng sasakyan. Inaantay ko si Mylove. Andito kami sa isang shop. May binibili lang siya. Kami ay mamamasyal habang walang ulan. Sa Norway ay summer na kaso masyadong malamig. Hindi ka makalabas ng walang jacket. Kaya ang sabi nila ngayon daw na taon na ito ay cold summer. Kasi kapag ganitong hapon na ay 8 degrees lang siya hanggang gabi na. Tapos pag umaga naman inaabot lang siya ng 18 to 20. Yeah.
Mamma. Det är exakt.
No. So this is it. They are closed. So ito yun guys. Na railway. Ayan yung old railway. Tapos ito yung pambata. Kilo? Manual?
84 kilo.
Huh?
84 kilo.
How about me?
Come on, John. Some next to me. We are 132. His name is 91 Stumperud. Yep, 91 Stumperud.
Huh? Yeah, you're correct. How about this one? What is this?
It's an old boiler stave for a steam locomotive.
For?
For a steam train.
You will go inside there?
No, they put charcoal inside and they put fire. I'm at the business end. Both sides here they put engines. So when it's boiling, that produce.
Ayan ang gas oil pump.
So if they have the cargo, that building is a crane, so they can lift cargo on and off.
This one is the cashier.
Tickets now.
This is history also. What do you call that by Blake?
Yeah. River.
A river with a history. Beautiful nature. The water is calm. Nag-aantay kami ngayon ng timer, naantay yung cake nasa oven. Pangalawa na namin gawa yun. Pangalawang gawa na ni Mylove. Kasi yung una, medyo failed. Mahirap siyang i-roll kasi masyadong makapal. Kaya inulit-ulit namin.
Why?